Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Claude AI, what exactly it is, or is it better than ChatGPT or not? There are a lot of people talking about, is it better than ChatGPT? I would say yes, but there is a difference that where exactly you want to use it. So this Claude AI is definitely better if you're into long context, like smart writing. You can upload the files, which you can do it in your chat GPT. But there is an advantage if you do a lot of coding and if you have your thesis or any kind of student things, study notes, which you want in a longer section, then you can use Claude AI, and I'll show you. You just need to click on search Claude and you will find Claude.ai. So you need to log in. You can log in through Google account and it will ask you a few questions that why exactly, for what purpose you want to use Claude, and you can use it for emails, scripts, file uploads, YouTube script writing, resume creation, study notes, business mails, coding, debugging, and there are a lot of things which you can do. Claude is definitely better for long documents. So if you have 20, 35, 50, 100 pages, you can go with Claude. You can ask whatever you want to regarding your work, and this is how you can use your Claude AI. So you can try that and do let me know in the comment section whether this Claude is better than ChatGPT or not. All right. So please subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.